Welcome back to this short series. I rebound softcover books into hardcover, which is known as bookbinding. This is the A Court of Thorns and Roses, or ACOTAR, as it's known, by Sarah J. Maas. This is book 2 in the series. So as you can see, I used 2 different vinyl, a gold and then this green metallic. I do have all the items that I used linked in the description, so you can take a look if you want to find something similar. This comes in a big roll, so if you do make mistakes, it's really easy. And it's just the inside. So you're basically taking the insides of a soft cover and turning it into a hardcover book if you're not familiar with the process. And for me, there's a lot of videos out there on the bookbinding process and the different steps. I practiced with some older books first and then bought some series that I really enjoyed and wanted to do the bookbinding on. The bookbinding itself really doesn't take as long once you get that process down. It's pretty quick and you can do them, in short. You have to let the glue dry for quite a while on some of the processes. You can't necessarily do them all in one day, but they don't take very long. The part of the process that I think takes the longest is actually creating the designs in Cricut, cutting them out, weeding them, obviously, and then I just used the small handheld heat press from Cricut to put all the designs on. So one thing you want to kind of be careful of, this one's not bad. I don't think you can really see it on this one, but on this one, you kind of have to be careful. If you use too much heat, you can kind of get this little effect here, which I don't think is super noticeable and I don't mind, but if you were doing them for sale or something, you just would want to be careful about that. So here it is again. Like I mentioned, I will link all of the products that I used in case you want to use similar products. And then I also will link my Cricut Design space. So if you want to create something similar, change it up a little bit, or just like the design, it would save a bunch of time. So I just wanted to link all those for everybody. I'll be doing the rest of the books in the series as well. So thanks for watching.